right. So the storm, I think, is here. The wind is just screaming, you know. Lots of rain. We're hearing thunder now. I don't know how well this photographs the conditions outside our house right now, but they've really deteriorated. You can see off the house next door, the water just coming off of the roof. It's just gushing down there. And there's always got to be something crazy. My sprinkler is going off in the middle of the hurricane. What the heck? So, but anyway, the rain is just coming in sheets. So far, the weird thing is that I don't understand, and I'm not complaining in the least, is that we have power in the middle of all this nonsense. And, you know, our neighborhood does. So it's, this is actually kind of a calm moment compared to what we've had in the last few minutes. So, look at the palm tree and whoa! Getting belted with water. I don't think we've seen the really big gusts yet, but we're seeing some significant gusts. And it's quite a tumultuous scene out here right now. So we'll check back in a couple hours and see what's going on then.